Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever had a video with unwanted text, subtitles, or even a watermark that ruins the clean look of your content, then today's guide is exactly what you need. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to remove text from a video using VEED.io in 2025. Super easy, no complicated tools, and you won't need to be a pro editor to get it done. Stay tuned till the end because I'll also share a quick tip to make your final video look seamless. First, open your browser and head over to VEED.io. This platform is entirely web-based, so you don't need to install any heavy software. Just create an account or log in. Next, click on Upload your video and select the video that contains the unwanted text. Once it's uploaded, you'll be taken to the editing interface. Now, there are a couple of ways to remove text in VEED using the crop or frame adjust option. If the text is positioned near the edges, simply select the crop tool and adjust the frame so that the text area is cut out of the visible portion. This is quick and works great for captions or timestamps at the bottom of a video, using the blur or remove tool. If cropping isn't an option because you want to keep the full frame, VEED has a remove objects or blur feature in the 2025 version. Click on Elements arrow, remove or blur, and then highlight the text area. Adjust the blur strength or removal intensity until the text blends naturally with the background. Overlaying elements for clean. Results: sometimes complete removal leaves a slight trace or looks off. In that case, add an overlay like a shape, sticker, or even a matching background color to cover the text cleanly. VEED makes this easy with its drag and drop elements panel. Once you've made the adjustments, play back your video to check if it looks natural throughout. If the text was moving in the original video, you might need to apply these edits frame by frame or use VEED's motion tracking tool to keep the blur or overlay following the text automatically. Finally, click Export, choose your preferred resolution, and let VEED render your new clean video without that annoying text. And that's it. Removing text from a video in VEED.io 2025 is that simple. No need for expensive tools or complicated software. Just a few clicks and your video is ready to shine. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more easy editing tips, and drop a comment if you want me to cover more VEED.io tricks in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.